Hi, my name is Dutch with Murdock Manufacturing. Today we're going to show you how to replace most any installed water fountain with a new EZReach bottle filler. These fillers are available in refrigerated and non-refrigerated models. Before you start, shut off your main water supply. Then remove the bottom front access panel. Unplug the unit if it's a cooler. Remove the water supply line and then unhook the P-trap. You are now ready to remove the existing fountain. Loosen the screws and remove the existing mounting bracket. Then replace with the new universal bracket and secure. Start by placing the EZReach bottom assembly onto the universal bracket. Next, secure the frame assembly to the wall. Reattach the P-trap and connect your water supply line. You are now ready to attach the EZReach bottle filler bracket. Simply center the bracket over the deck and secure to the wall through the holes provided. With the grommet in place, feed the upper water supply hose down through the hole in the deck and attach to the lower water supply. First, hook the water supply line to the solenoid valve and tighten. Then open the water supply line valve. Next, connect the white lead from the solenoid valve to the white lead from the cycle counter. If using the battery pack, connect the two red terminal connectors from the battery pack to the two red power supply connectors. If using the AC power cord, connect the two red terminal leads from the power supply cord to the two red power supply connectors. Place the bottle filler housing over the bottle filler bracket and attach with supplied hardware and tighten. Next, insert both the transformer from the bottle filler and the electric cord from the cooler. Finally, attach the front access panel with the hardware provided. You are now ready to use your EZReach bottle filler. The new EZReach bottle filler was designed to be accessible by an adult or small child. This makes it ideal for use in any location. For any further instructions or questions, please contact Murdock Manufacturing.